Glyceryl trinitrate is used by a sublingual route because it is non-ionic and more lipid soluble. Lisinopril is not converted into its active metabolite. Fluoxetine, cyclophosphamide, and diazepam are converted into their active metabolite. Example of prodrug is enalapril. Loading dose of a drug primarily depends on the volume of distribution. Brimonidine is a drug which is considered category B in pregnancy. Therapeutic drug monitoring is required in phenytoin, tacrolimus, and cyclosporine, but not in metformin. Schedule of a drug sold only on prescription is H. Methacholine is an agonist at M2. Drug used for overactive bladder is darifenacin. Vagal stimulation of heart causes increased RR interval in ECG. Toxicity seen with amiodarone therapy are pulmonary fibrosis, cirrhosis of liver, and corneal microdeposits. Drugs like NSAID, estrogen, and cyclosporine can cause edema. Thiazides can cause impotence. Hypercalcemia is caused by lithium, vitamin D intoxication, and thiazides. Progressive visual field constriction is caused by vigabatrin. Digoxin toxicity is enhanced by hypercalcemia and renal failure. Thiazides can cause impotence. Thiazide diuretics are useful in CHF and can cause hyperglycemia and decrease uric acid excretion. In fungal keratomycosis, drug used is silver sulfadiazine. Fifth generation cephalosporin with anti-MRSA activity is ceftabiprole. Abatacept is used in RA. Treatment of choice for erythrodermal psoriasis is methotrexate. An acid that undergoes enterohepatic circulation is piroxicam. Thalidomide can be used in Behcet syndrome, HIV-associated mouth ulcer, erythema nodosum leprosum, but not in HIV-associated peripheral neuropathy. Calcineurin inhibitor is cyclosporine.